In this video, I'll show you how to morph in PowerPoint. Now this is super simple, guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is you want to have your PowerPoint ready and you want to find anything. It can be a chart or a table or whatever you want to morph. So let's say I want to do this chart right here. What I want to do is I want to duplicate this one, so Control D, or right click on it and duplicate. Then I want to take the bottom one, change the chart, and let's say I'm gonna put it up here. Then what I can do is I can press on this one, come to transitions and press morph. And now if I press preview, as you can see, it will then morph just like that. The first one to the second one. So that's basically how you can use the morph in PowerPoint, and you can change the duration up here if you want it to be shorter, if you want it to be longer. Look, if I make it longer, it will look like this, just like that. So that's basically how you can do it in PowerPoint, guys. It's super simple and it's super easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.